Take a ride in 2012 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.